Question number 5 is the text includes a quote from S.W. Scott about patriotic spirit. What do you think S.W. Scott means by a man devoid of patriotic spirit? Do you agree or disagree with this perspective? Why? The answer is S.W. Scott suggests that a person without patriotic spirit has a dead soul. A true patriot feels a strong connection of often thinking, this is my own, my native land. Without this bond, one loses a vital sense of belonging and responsibility. Question number 6 is how can schools teach students about patriotism? Why is it important for students to learn about it? The answer is schools can teach patriotism through lessons on Pakistan's history, national heroes, and the events like the Independence Day. Learning patriotism is important for students as it makes them active and responsible citizens. Question number 7 is can you think of a small act of patriotism that someone could do every day? How does this help the country? The answer is planting trees is a simple act of patriotism. One can do this daily by watering and protecting plants, encouraging others to plant trees, and gifting plants to others to make the country green and prosperous. Question number 8 is what did you learn about the patriotism from this text? The answer is I learned that patriotism means loving and protecting your country. True patriot makes sacrifices for their country's safety and honors. Patriotism unites people and keeps the nation strong. Follow for more.